Gabby, it's 2 o'clock. You're not supposed to be doing Christmas shopping today?
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Man, it doesn't show signs of stopping.
Good morning, babies, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 14. Y'all, this Vlogmas has been flying. So I'm now getting ready to go to work. I just want to pack some of my last coat in my bag. Take it to marshmallows. I thought I had pretty much done. Hot mess. It's not easy, but yes. And then when I reach home, I want to season my meat, well, my fish, for my pastel, because I don't want to make a pastel. Oh, let's just ain't find no fig leaf. How about that? No fig leaf. So I might have to make it and just leave it in the, either put it in tissue paper and then put it in the foil, which I don't want to do because the fig leaf is just add a little extra zhuzh to it, you know? Or I'll see if I can get some. So I will talk to one of my friends to see if they have any, and if not, then we'll pasta I still want to make, but you know, just me not have no fig leaf. So when I jump on the rack, I want to make it will be fish and pigeon peas pastel. I just do the pigeon peas like if it's mincemeat. So we do those two types of pastel. And yeah, so I want to deal with that when I reach home because I want to make pastel on Sunday, please the Lord. Yeah, that's that. And then I'm waiting on an order to come through. Hopefully it reaches this week because the company said that it will reach, I'll get it before Christmas. So it needs to come before the end of this week. I pray and hope. Cause yeah, I can't say what it is because the person it is for watches my vlogs. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. Oh, the sister's back home. I went to get pizza. So that's what I'm gonna eat. And guess what I'm gonna drink? Another glass of wine. Yeah, that's just the way it is. So, ta-da! This wine growing on me, anyway. Growing on me. I would have it like in mustache. It will be some of that pull for all the time. But, yeah. Huh? I don't think I see you. I really. But yeah, it's growing on me. Mine is my pull for all the time, but it's growing upon me. So yeah, this is actually a pizza. It's like oven baked pizza, like in an oven pit kind of thing. Oh, this is real nice. I like it. This is the only pizza I can eat without like condiments because this just tastes so good. And just have her little glass of wine. I know my lovey's in the back here. So still, you know, she's going to catch up. Okay, catch up. We playing catch up. But yeah. So that's where we are. Okay, let's try relighting. Oh, sorry, my foot thing the table. Ole friend, Ole sis is tired. 2023 has been a year, and coming on to the end of the year, it's been a lot. But you know, we still gotta keep it pushing, still gotta push through. Like literally that picture I put to the end, I think it was VLOGMAS the 12 or 11. I think it was VLOGMAS the 11. Like that picture to the end with oh you're so strong, you thing. You push through, and I have like the dog getting crazy, me pushing through. That is literally me. For the past, let me say 2 months or before. But Ole, it's busy. But you know, God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. He don't give me more than he could bear. All of a sudden, I just feel like it. But yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's episode. Ole, tomorrow is VLOGMAS day 15 already. How about that? Christmas is right around the corner, and I still have 3 gifts to buy. I buy the next 2 already. Cause just 5 people are buying it, so yeah, but I still have 3 gifts to buy. Yeah. But anyways, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's VLOGMAS video.